In this video, I'm going to be showing how you can make money on your phone by saving on groceries. So I'm going to be using an app called Ibotta, and Ibotta is available for free on the iOS App Store, and it is also available for free on the Google Play Store. And so Ibotta is like digital coupons, but don't worry, it's not as much of a hassle as clipping coupons and taking them to the store and all that. How this works is you clip, per se, a coupon in the app, and then once you go to the store, you buy all what you want, you come home, you scan the receipt, and it automatically recognizes the coupons, and in a few hours or less, you'll have money back. Now, it doesn't take prices off your purchase, it actually gives the money back to you. So whereas a traditional coupon works by, say, 5% off your purchase, this gives you 5% of your purchase back, or something like that, so to speak. So there's not the hassle of giving something to the cashier and hoping they'll take it, or having to wait longer in line. So that might be a little confusing, but I'll show you how it works. But first, we're in the App Store, and it has 4.8 stars, so it's not a scamming app. It's not some random app from China or somewhere like that. It is made in Colorado. It has over 880,000 ratings and reviews, so don't worry about this app being legit. It is rated 17 plus because of alcohol, tobacco references, and medical stuff. You have to be 18 or older to sign up, so I'm using an account I made with my dad. So let's actually open up the app and see how it works. So when you get there, you'll have to sign up, of course, put in like your zip code, name, email, a few things. And then once it's all signed up, you can, you'll be on your home page probably, or in your account. But starting out with a home page, you can see all these different offers, and you can also see stores. Let's just go with Walmart, for instance, a common store, and here's all the offers that are available at Walmart to use. So you can see what's popular, best value, any item, pantry, eggs, etc. Let's go with any item. So to clip this offer, so to speak, I'm going to tap that plus, and they sometimes have a picture for you to look at. Sometimes they have a question you need to answer, or a tiny video, and some of this stuff helps them improve, and they're giving money back to you, so it's not a problem. This is how they might make some money. So how did you hear about Ibotta? Check all that apply. And I heard about it social or blog post. And so then you just press submit and add offer, and that's just easy. Let's find some other ones. Chow cheese, or however you say it. Tap the plus, and sometimes you don't need to answer a question at all, and you can just go on. I'm going to go to pantry, and some olives might be good. Salsa, and a lot of them you just tap, like I said, you don't have anything come up, but sometimes it might be a video. They have produce, and some things are any item. That's the awesome thing. Sometimes you can get like bananas, any brand. Just tap the plus. And what's your favorite way to shop? On my computer, on my mobile phone, or tablet? I have to say computer. And the questions are easy. There's nothing like long surveys or anything. If you want to see more offer details to make sure you're buying the right thing, for instance, bananas, we'll tap on that. And then it says any brand, so it can be any brand of bananas. It doesn't matter what brand. Offer excludes dried bananas, frozen bananas, and banana puree. So this is just bananas in general. And you can see how long the offer has left, 5 days. And you can see what stores you can do this offer at. Quite a few stores. So that's how you get an offer, which is pretty easy. It's just like all you do is a couple taps and that offer's saved. And there's also other ways you can make money on this app. But before we get to that, we're going to go to the bottom bar and we just tapped Find Offers. There you can search for offers in any category. There's even online shopping. Then let's go to the Earn More button at the bottom. And here there's bonuses, like for instance, if you buy 10 items at Walmart, qualifying items, then you can get like $1 back or something. So that's like bonuses. And then let's go to our account. Once you reach $20, you can withdraw cash. That might seem like a lot, but it's not really that much. My mom and I have made about $250 or so on her account. But I just made an account with my dad, so that's why there's $0, and we're using this for this video purposes. Let's look at what you can withdraw it in. You can do PayPal, Adidas, Amazon, American Eagle, AutoZone, Best Buy, Chili's. You have a lot of options, so you don't need to worry about it being like to some baby store or some clothing store you don't go to. Now, you can view your earnings. You can invite friends, and you can invite friends with a code, and when they make a qualifying purchase, you'll get $5 or so. And with that qualifying purchase they made, they'll get like $5 or more. So there's a sign-up bonus. So when you sign up for this app, make a qualifying purchase, and get money back on some items, you can get up to $20. And my mom and I got $10 when we signed up, and we haven't gotten signed up with this one yet, but all the way with redeeming offers. So it'll be interesting to see how much we get back on this account. But like I said, my mom and I's account, we got $10 for signing up, so you could get $5 to $20. So referring friends, and if you guys want to use this code to sign up if you're interested, please do that. It supports me, and it doesn't hurt you at all. You get between $5 and $20. So it's a good way to support my channel and to support others who may have referred you. You can also have favorites, like favorite stores, to make it more so you're not seeing stuff for other brands and stores that you don't even see in where you go shopping. There's teamwork. Teamwork is the people you've referred or your friends maybe. You can have teamwork where you say you complete 10 offers and you get $15 back as a group. Then you get like a couple dollars bonus back into your account. So it's a way to get bonuses. There's settings, and you can update a bunch of stuff, view about them and stuff. There's help, and there's how to use Ibotta, which you might find very useful if you just signed up. Now, there's also other ways to make money on this app than just the digital coupons. You can make money by getting cash back on your purchases. Say we're going to online shopping. Let's go to iTunes. You can get 1% back on iTunes purchases. So you can get money back not only just on certain items when you go shopping at the store, you can earn cash back for shopping online. I think you can even link your account, link your loyalty card or something, and get money back. So let's look at Walmart. You can link your account and then use Walmart Pay to earn cash automatically. Log into Walmart, set up Walmart Pay on your Walmart app, and earn cash back on Ibotta offers automatically. So it's an easier way of earning cash back, I guess. Let's try redeeming a receipt now. So now I'm going to actually redeem a receipt that we just purchased from last Friday. And we're going to scan it with this phone and see if we can get any offers back. So this was purchases at Walmart. So I'll tap on the Walmart icon, and then you push continue. you scan the barcode is what you do, so it's super easy. And it's finding offers. And there's one matched offer for any item. Now, sometimes there'll be many more items, like we've gotten from 25 cents to over $10 in money back from a shopping trip. Some of those might have bonuses, but they range. It's not like every time you get 50 cents, a dollar, 25 cents. No, you can have how much ever you want depending on how much ever you spend and what you buy that qualifies. So we'll collect 50 cents for one offer, and it sends the receipt really fast, and it says 50 cents will be added to your account within 24 hours. And then you just push done, go to account, and pretty soon, probably in a few hours or so, or even less. The nice thing about this app is it quite often takes under 10 minutes or around 10 minutes, so that's nice. Go to home and you can push this bell icon and see your activity feed and teammates feed. So that's how you redeem something. It's pretty easy. Sometimes you might have to scan the product, but not always. And so, like you saw, when I scanned that, there was an option to add more offers. So if it didn't catch any, make sure you tap that button and search for any offers. Now, if you forgot to clip or select an offer before you went shopping, don't worry, you can do it after you're shopping, and then just go in and redeem it. So it's not that hard to do, but that's how you redeem items. And I should be getting, and I already have 50 cents in my account, it looks like. My earnings, 50 cents. So every little bit helps, and this wasn't a huge trip and there wasn't a lot of items that qualified, so that's why. But that's how you make money on Ibotta. To earn a sign-up bonus of up to $20, I looked up this article and this tells about it. How it works is the bonus number 1, receive a $10 welcome bonus for redeeming an in-store offer. Now, any brand offers are not included, so this has to be, say, for this kind of cheese or this specific kind of lemonade or something. And you'll receive a $10 bonus. Bonus number 2, you can receive a $5 bonus for redeeming a mobile shopping offer. And bonus number 3, you can earn another $5 for redeeming an in-store or mobile shopping offer. So you can earn up to $20 redeeming about 3 offers. So it's pretty easy, and to be eligible, you must create an account on a new unique device, not a phone previously registered with an Ibotta account. You must redeem your first qualifying offer within the timeline for your particular bonus, usually 30 days. Check your app's bonus section for specific details. So that's how you do it. You can earn up to $20, pretty simple. So please consider supporting me if you decide to download this app and sign up by using my referral code, which you can see here. That is mwnobjr. Now, this app, like I said, doesn't cost anything to download. You get money back, so it's a win-win situation. And it supports me by using that sign-up code. So please consider using that code if you sign up. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And thank you so much for supporting me.